Oh. Today we're going to be cooking something for the hangover. Hello and welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. Brisket, and knuckle. Today's video is going to be extremely simple. 3 ingredients and water. That's all you need. Let's go. I've been having this constant hangover every Friday night. Every Saturday morning because of drinking every Friday night. So this is something that I like to have in my fridge, and it is a cure-all. And so simple, so cheap. You should always prep this and put it in your fridge. It's better than any isotonic drink out there. So it's possible to just use plain water, but I have here some chicken stock that I just used 3 chicken carcasses, and I put it in water and I boiled it, and I just have this beautiful broth, so I'm just going to use it as my cooking liquid. First, we want to boil this liquid up. Fire up. We're going to let this get to a boil. After that, we're going to be throwing in our beef and our other 2 ingredients, and that's really it. And then you'll see the results at the end of it and how I'm going to eat it, okay? And you just gotta do everything that I do to have the best meal for a hangover. Other than our beef, all we need is salt and hua diao jiao, Chinese cooking wine. Delicious. I love brisket, but my partner loves something leaner, which is why I got the knuckle here. It all works great, all beefy and delicious. I'm telling you, you guys are going to be so shocked at how simple and delicious this is. If you have been to Korea and you have had suyok, this is kind of like that. It is like that, right? And it's, oh my goodness. Oh, our water's boiling, come on. So now we're just going to remove our beef. This is your favorite, right? Just going to put it in. Oh no! Got blood everywhere. Right. Put it in, massage it in. ABC, always be cleaning. Delectable. Yum, yum, yum. And remember, ABC, always be cleaning. Yourself too. Put it in. Make sure everything is submerged. Okay. We are going to put the fire up to medium. So, something I want to tell you guys about. We went to Phuket last week, and I had the best raw crabs I've had in Thailand so far. We're going to include that in a short, right? Are we? Okay. And if we do, you gotta watch it because it is freaking delicious. Oh my gosh. You don't get to eat it, but I did. So you get to watch it. Now that all the beef's in there, what we're gonna do next is simple. We're just gonna add 2 capfuls of hua diao jiao, Chinese cooking wine. Alright. A good pinch of salt. Sale. A good 3 pinches of salt. And then we close it up, and now we wait 2 hours. So what's important is you gotta make this before you get a hangover, okay? Put it in your fridge, you heat it up in your microwave the day after. Broth can be drunk, the broth is great, okay? So remember, a day before you're about to get drunk. Yes, I said 2 hours. It's been an hour. So I decided that I like my meat not too soft. So I'm gonna stop cooking it at 1 hour, and we're gonna fish it out. We're gonna cut it. I gotta clean the floor. Give me a mo. Piss off. You see that? Brisket. What? Brisket. Knuckle. Not so exciting, but looking good, huh? Alright, now we're gonna let it rest for a bit so that it's not too hot to touch. I don't want to burn myself. But while we're waiting, I'm just gonna transfer my broth into my little container, the elixir of life. Look at it. Phew. Can't wait to drink this. My soup. My soup. Let's get it in that head, that pretty little head. My soup.
Well, I brought you the brisket that you made the soup the first time. So it's my soup.
Oh no. Okay.
Just kidding. We're engaged. You know what that means?
What's mine is yours. What's yours is still yours.
No. Smile. Sweet smile.
Oh my god, so rich. And now we slice. Woo! It's still hot. Let's get going. Right. Down. Down, down. Oh! OMG. OMG. You hear that? Look at that. That intramuscular fat. Moment of truth. Mind blowing. Oh my gosh, the brisket is the best part for this. That fat to meat ratio, perfect. Perfection. So this is how I store it. I cut it up, I store it in the fridge, and I have meat for days. Okay, not really days, I'm lying, it's just 2 days. Down, 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 down. We have our brisket, we have our soup, we have kimchi to go with our brisket, and the cherry on top. Spicy noodles. What? Crazy! Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Now will you look at that? Oh. And you have the pleasure of watching me eat. And now we eat. Let me show you how it's done. You take a piece of brisket, you take a good piece of kimchi, get in with the noodles. Oh yeah. Perfect combination. Another piece of brisket, kimchi on top. Ooh, some nudes. Oh yeah. Fatty and so beefy. You know how sometimes beef stop tasting like beef? This tastes like beef. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is really the secret to my hangovers, curing them. And see you next week.